Rice Blue Book Ignou MA in Rural Development. Prepare smarter with solved papers by EncycloHub. Memo Direct Hit. Are you a student of MA in Rural Development from Ignou? Struggling to manage wide-ranging topics like rural planning, livelihoods, development policies, and research methods? Let EncycloHub be your academic support system. We bring you previous year solved papers to help you study efficiently and perform confidently in your exams. Books. What's included? White heavy checkmark solved papers from the past 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark clear, well-organized, and exam-oriented answers. White heavy checkmark complete coverage of subjects like rural development, concepts and strategies, rural development planning and management, research methods in rural development, rural social development, and more. White heavy checkmark updated as per Ignou's latest syllabus and exam pattern. Light bulb. Why choose EncycloHub? Small Blue Diamond prepared by rural development experts. Small Blue Diamond simple language, smart presentation. Small Blue Diamond instant PDF delivery. Small Blue Diamond budget-friendly. Small Blue Diamond trusted by thousands of Ignou students across India. Whether you're preparing for your term-end exams or just want to understand how to write answers that score well, this is your shortcut to success. Mobile phone with arrow to order. WhatsApp us at your contact number. Or DM on Instagram at EncycloHub with the message, MA Rural Development Solved Papers. Open book. Understand deeply. Answer smartly. Score highly. Only at EncycloHub, your partner in Ignou success.